Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix sorry we could not register you. Please confirm you have an internet connection and try again in a moment. So guys, if you are trying to log in and sign up your Instagram account and you are facing a problem, so guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all open setting and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. If any VPN is connected, then disconnect it, and after that change your internet connection to mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, then use mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then turn it to Wi-Fi. And after that you have to just simply tap on journal, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it, and after that go back again, scroll it below, and here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. And after that guys, simply go back and then tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, and here tap on offload the app, and after that open App Store and search here for Instagram. So guys, simply download the latest version of Instagram app and update from here, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply tap on the Instagram support team. So guys, open any browser and search for Instagram support. And from here guys, you can simply see Instagram help center. So guys, simply contact the help center and describe your problem in a brief way, and they will try to fix your problem. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.